can make an adjustment.
We are outside once again with one of our other models at Modeling Boot Camp Weekend, baby. It's our photo shoot weekend. So look at this cutie pie. Oh my God, her name is Rose. And you're how old, Rose? 9? 9 years old. Isn't she a doll? And we chose this really cute yellow polka dot dress for her so that her beautiful skin would just illuminate. Oh my gosh, love it. And we're working with our photographer, Paula Preston. Yeah.
Okay, Rose. There we go. Yeah. Very good. Turn a little bit. Oh, I like what you were just doing though. Like, yeah.
Oh, work it, Rose. Tell her,
There you
girl.
go.
Show her that you know what
Good.
you're doing after Modeling Boot Camp.
Tilt your head a little.
Yeah, so Rose attended Modeling Boot Camp for our summer camp for kids. And we're outside, of course, so we got a little music on. Hey, Rose, you got some music, girl.
Yeah, you can-
Hey, work it, girl. Yes, we just had a Jeep roll by with some banging music, so Rose got a
There you
little
go.
bit of entertainment there
That's
for a
good. I'm gonna go over
second.
your shoulder, Miss Denisha.
Okay.
There you go. Good.
And then Rose, her mother, look at this beautiful lady right here. She's going to be in my next camp. Yes, look at her. She's
Good.
look at
Yes.
this beauty. I mean, you probably can't see that smile,
turn a
but
little
look
bit
at that
more this
gorgeous
way,
skin.
okay?
I love her hair.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
she
let
got
the sun go
recruited
down.
by
Let the sun
bringing
go-
Rose
yeah.
to my
There
summer
you go.
camp, and I recruited her. She's
Yeah.
already signed up
Like
and
this.
ready to go next month. So
There you go.
yes.
Okay, now
We
let
work with
both
adults,
arms down.
kids.
There you go.
All backgrounds. Holla at your
There
girl,
you go. Good. And if you
topmodelcoach.com,
want, you can rock back and forth like
or you
this.
can DM me for
You
more
do that?
information.
Yeah, exactly.